Namaste dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the nature and environment. Under that we are going to discuss about traditional medicinal plants found in Nepal. This topic is in grade 10 Science and Technology. You may have used different types of plants to cure various diseases in your day-to-day life. Is it? What type of plants you are using to cure some diseases which frequently occurs in our day-to-day life? Yes, we use tulsi, we use bozo, and similarly many plants are used to treat some kind of diseases. So here we discuss about such kind of plants which are very precious to cure our health. So let's see this picture. What is there? See, something is mixing over here, and here we see in the water some plants parts are dipped. What purpose these things are used for? Have you ever used such type of things in your day-to-day life? Yes, perhaps you may not use, but your family members may have used these things. And we used to have green tea using pudina, lemon, turmeric, etc. Why we are using those things? That means those herbal medicines helps to improve our health. So today we discuss about those plants which have medicinal values, how they help us to cure various kind of health problems in our day-to-day life. There are various kinds of medicinal plants found in Nepal which we are taking as a natural healing substances. That means naturally we are healing our health problems. So here you can see which type of plant is this, which plant is this? Yes, it is neem plant. This neem plants, every part is used as a medicine. In the Ayurvedic medicine, these leaves, flowers, fruits, bark, everything is used to prepare Ayurvedic medicine. So this neem plant has medicinal value which is found in our country in large amount. Similarly, what is this? Yes, this is bozo. Yes, this is also used to cure sometime if we feel sore throat. If we have a tea containing this bozo, or directly also we can just take the juice of it, or we can take a small piece of bozo in our mouth for a long time, and if we take its juice, then it can cure our this sore throat also. Similarly, have you seen this plant? Yes, it is turmeric. This turmeric plant is used to what purpose do you use? Yes, even in every curry or any pickles, you used to use this turmeric. Not only that, sometime when we suffer from common cold also, we used to take the hot water with this turmeric. Is it? So you are not new to this plant also. And another one is, what is this? Yes, this is tulsi plant. How do you know this tulsi plant? Yes, it is oxygen generating plant. Even it produces oxygen in night time also. And there are various values of this tulsi plant, or we say it is a very religious plant also. In case of Hindu culture and Buddhist culture, people used to worship this tulsi plant. But naturally, in case of environment also, environmentally also it is very beneficial as it produces large amount of oxygen. It can clean the environment. and it increases the oxygen level of the surrounding. That's why at the time of some person is going to die, at that time also, sometimes we feel suffocation due to less amount of oxygen. People used to keep the person who is going to die also nearby the tulsi plant. Why they do so? Yes, now you know. It produces large amount of oxygen. Naturally, they can take the oxygen from that plant, and if they were suffering or if they are suffocating due to lack of oxygen, even they can again revive their life also. So there are various type of plants found in our country which have much more values in the medicine field. Now, what are medicinal plant? How we know the medicinal plant and how many types of plants found in our country? Which plant's picture is this? Yes, it is amla. And in our country, over 7,000 flowering plants are found. Out of that, 700 species identified as medicinal plants. Out of 7,000 plants, nearly 700 species are identified as the medicinal plants. Where the more number of medicinal plants found in our country, that is in the highest concentration, that means more number of medicinal plants are found in Karnali region. Like another plant, what is this? Yes, have you seen this plant? Yes, it is gurjo. And traditional knowledge passed down through generation. That means how we are using these medicinal plants, how we know the value of these plants. That means our ancestors used to prepare the Ayurvedic medicine from these plants. Various plants which are found in our surrounding, they used to prepare the Ayurvedic medicine and they used to treat. That means at that time there was no allopathic medicines. From that time, people are using these medicinal plants to cure the various types of diseases. And those knowledge are transferred from generation to generation. That means one generation to another generation. Like that, it is passed from generation to the down generations. Okay. How to understand these medicinal plants? What are medicinal plants? How to define them? Just we can say that plants used as home remedies for various kinds of diseases, those are called medicinal plants. And various plant parts used as a raw materials for the medicine. That means these are used as a raw materials while preparing various type of Ayurvedic medicines. Here we find in the market also, in the different bottles, in the form of powder, liquid, even in the tablets, we find. How they are prepared means they prepare those medicine by using the different parts of the plants. This requires a sustainable harvesting. Means 1 year if we take all the medicinal plants, then next year what to harvest? Is it? So the sustainability is required. While harvesting those medicinal plants also, we should think about preserving them for the future also. If we take out the old plants, we should plant the new plants. And if we take some parts, other parts should be preserved for the future. In that way, we can maintain the sustainability of harvesting also. And it needs research and market management. Why we need research means what kind of elements are found in those plants that cures some kind of disease. And if we research on that, then we can purify those elements from those plants, or we extract from them, and we can sell it in the market. That means even in not only in our country, we can export to the other countries also, so that we can improve our economic condition also. Then we should think about the market management also. That means what kind of medicines are required in the market and how we can improve them. Such things should be take care of these while preparing those medicines also. Now, what parts of the medicinal plants are used as a medicine? Most of the parts of the medicinal plants are used as a medicine, either stem, root, bulbs, flowers, etc. Then which part is used? So let's see. Stem used plants like Jatamasi, Sarpagandha, Padamsal, Kurilo, Gurjo, etc. These plants stem is used to prepare the medicine. Or directly those stems may be consumed, or those stems are used as a raw medicine, a raw material for preparing Ayurvedic medicine. Similarly, root. These roots like bozo, vakur, panchaule, these plants roots is used in this Ayurvedic medicine. Similarly, bark of the plants. We use some plants bark to prepare the medicine like chutro, cinnamon, neem, bhojpatra, kaulo, laliguras, kafal, etc. are used to those bark of those plants are used for the medicine. And similarly, leaves like bay leaf, mugwort, dhupi. These plants leaves are used in the Ayurvedic medicine. Similarly, other parts are also there like flowers. Simal, guras, dhagero, koiralo, nakkesar, etc. These kind of plants, flowers are used in medicine. And fruits and seeds. Some plants, fruits and seeds are used in the medicine like cardamom, pipal, barro, harro, kanthakari, timur, dhaturo, bhalayo, lapsi, etc. These are the plants which fruits and seeds are used in the medicines. And we also find the different importance of these medicinal plants. The main importance of medicinal plants are health importance. As you know that already we have discussed about the different medicinal plants and those which parts are used, that means to cure the different kinds of health diseases, the health problems. So basically these medicinal plants have the health importance. That means in the field of medicine or in the field of health, these medicinal plants are very important as it helps to cure the different kinds of diseases, boost the immunity power of the body, as well as improve the health condition of the people. It is very important in the health. And another one is economic importance. How it is economic importance? That means in the field of economy, how it helps. See, when there are different kinds of medicinal plants are grown in our country or in our home also, we can just make the Ayurvedic medicine or we can sell it as a raw material for the Ayurvedic medicine. That helps to earn the money. That means we are improving our economic condition. That means by cultivating the medicinal plants also, we can earn the money for our livelihood, as well as if we commercialize these medicinal plants, even we can open a Ayurvedic medicine factory that helps to improve the economic condition of the country. So it has the much more economic value also. And next one is religious importance. There are various plants like tulsi, yes, and other plants also like bay leaves, cinnamon, yes, those plants, those are also used in while worshipping also. That means even especially Hindus and Buddhists used to worship the tulsi plant. Similarly, there are so many plants which are worshipped by the different groups of people, and those are also used to prepare the different kinds of medicines also. So here there are many importance in the religious perspective also. And another one is environmental importance. All of you know that our environment itself clean it. That means there are certain plants which produce large amount of oxygen. There are some plants which have the antimicrobial properties that can kill the bacteria, virus which are present in their surroundings. So it helps to clean the environment. It helps to improve the environmental condition. That means when it increases the amount of oxygen, then naturally the environment will be clean. So these are the 4 aspects in the medicinal plants that helps to increase the, that means different perspective, like 4 importance we can say that: health importance, economic importance, religious importance and environmental importance. So next we discuss, these are the overall importance of different kinds of medicinal plants. But in our course there are different medicinal plants which are given in our text and or our curriculum. So in our local level also there are various kinds of medicinal plants, and out of those some plants we discuss today here. First one is holy basil or tulsi. Already you know that this tulsi, we know it as a tulsi. This holy basil plant is very important plant. It has medicinal value, it has environmental value, it has economic value, it has religious value also. Already you know. Then in our science, in which group does it belong? We should know the classification of this plant also. Then how to classify it? While classifying, we go through this, like it belongs to division Trachyophyta. All of you know that all the plants belongs to kingdom Plantae. Okay, and under that kingdom there are division, subdivision, class. We discuss about these three things only. This tulsi plant belongs to Trachyophyta. Why? Yes, all of you know that those plants which possess xylem and phloem, those belongs to Trachyophyta. So this tulsi plant or holy basil also possess xylem and phloem, therefore it belongs to Trachyophyta. And subdivision angiosperm. Its subdivision is angiosperm. Why it is angiosperm? Yes, it produces seed, or the seed is enclosed inside the fruit. That's why it is angiosperm. It belongs to angiosperm. And class dicotyledon. Inside this angiosperm also there are 2 groups. Out of that is monocotyledon and dicotyledon. The seed of this tulsi can be divided into 2 cotyledons, therefore it belongs to dicotyledon. And what is the scientific name of it? We call it tulsi as well as holy basil. Yes, but in internationally, how can we, that there are different local names, so we should know the part in any corner of world, how we can know it. That's why it is scientific name is given to the plants and animals. The scientific name of this tulsi is Ocimum sanctum. The scientific name of tulsi is Ocimum sanctum. And type, that means it is named the tulsi, we called it as. Then what are the characteristics or the properties of this holy basil or tulsi? All of you know that this is very small bushy plant. Is it small bushy plant? And the mainly what parts are used as a medicine? The parts used as a medicine are leaves, shoots, flowers, roots, seeds, every part. Yes, and it is multi-purpose medicinal plant. That means for different purposes it is used. Even for curing skin disease, for curing throat pain, for curing common cold, this plant is used. And that's why it is a multi-purpose medicinal plant. And it produces high amount of oxygen. Even in the night time also it produces oxygen. And it contains a chemical, methyl chavicol or estragol. Due to presence of this chemical, it produces fragrance. You may have felt that when you go near to the tulsi plant, a kind of fragrance is coming. Yes, we find out, yes, there is a tulsi due to this fragrance. And it has religious value in Nepal, India, etc. That means especially Hindus and Buddhists worship this tulsi plant. It is found worldwide. Everywhere it is found. Now, what are the uses of this holy basil or the tulsi? This is used as a spice in various dishes. Even in different dishes, it is used as a spice. And it is used as a herbal tea, tulsi chia, yes. And it is also used to destroy bacteria that affect living organism. Even this tulsi plant juice or the water in which the tulsi plant is dipped for the long time, it is used as a bacterial disinfectant. But that means for the disinfecting the area also it can be used. And it is also used for the purification of water and also mouth rinsing. To rinse the mouth, or sometimes if we feel the bad smell in the mouth and pain in the throat also, it is used to rinse. These are the uses of the holy basil. And what are the benefits of it? What are the advantages of this holy basil or the tulsi? There are many importance or the many benefits, like it stimulates the appetite. Who are not feeling hungry also, they start to feel hungry if they take some leaves of the tulsi plant. Increases the interest in the food, yes, and improve the digestive system and promotes digestion. It helps to improve the digestion in the human body also. And it is natural disinfectant, already we have known that. Treats throat pain and infection in the mouth as well as even in the skin also. If we make a paste of the leaf of this tulsi plant and keep on that means the infected part of the skin also, it cures. Increase the amount of oxygen in the environment. These are the benefits of the holy basil or the tulsi. And cleanses the environment by destroying bacteria in the environment. As it has antimicrobial properties, it used to kill the bacteria, virus, fungus around it, and it cleans the environment. Okay, this is about the holy basil or the tulsi plant. Next, we discuss about the neem plant. See, this neem plant is also a very valuable medicinal plant which all the parts are used in the medicine. If we see the classification, it is also similar to the tulsi. Its division is Tracheophyta, subdivision Angiosperm, class Dicotyledon, scientific name is Azadirachta indica. And the type is neem. As already I have discussed why it is Tracheophyte, why it is Angiosperm, no need to say. See, in the similar way, that just like in the tulsi plant, here also it is classified in this way. Now, the properties of neem tree or the neem plant. What are the properties? It is a tall and large bushy tree with multiple medicinal uses. And all parts used in Ayurvedic medicine. Its leaf, stem, bark, flower, seeds, fruits, everything. The stem of the neem tree is very thick and woody. If you see the stem of this neem tree, it is thick and covered with a thick bark, and it is woody also. The leaves are very thin and compound leaves are present in it. If we taste it, it is bitter in taste. Now, uses of the neem. For what purpose we use the neem plant? It is also a multi-purpose medicinal plant. For various purposes it is used. Here there are some parts which are used. Let's see. See, the flowers are used for different face pack, like when sometimes acne and some skin disease which are faced, that this, if we use this neem flowers, it helps to treat those. And leaves also we can make the paste and use for the different purposes. Even it helps to control the blood pressure also if we take the juice of this neem plant. And fruits are also used for the various purposes, like seeds also. Fruits, seeds, everything is used as a medicine. And neem bark is used as a toothpick for the brushing teeth. Even the neem bark, this is used for the just toothbrush, or the as a toothbrush, which helps to clean the teeth and protect gums and teeth from the different germs also. And neem is also used to treat malaria also. It is also used to treat malaria disease. What are the benefits of the neem? There are various benefits also. Neem also. It purifies the blood, treats skin related problems, reduces bad cholesterol, helps to manage the blood pressure. That means it helps to reduce the high blood pressure, keeps the liver healthy and increases its functioning capacity. But there are some warnings are also there. We can't consume in a very high amount. Excessive consumption is very dangerous. So always we should think about these things. That means while using neem plants, we should think about how much amount of, we should take the advice from the Ayurvedic doctor, how much amount of this can be consumed, then only we should consume. Not only this, every medicinal plants have such properties, so we should consult the Ayurvedic doctor before using these Ayurvedic medicines or these medicinal plants. It should be used in the moderation and by taking the consult of the Ayurvedic doctor. Now next plant is heart-leaved moonseed or gurjo. Here also the classification is similar, just like of tulsi and neem. This also belongs to division Tracheophyta, subdivision Angiosperm, class Dicotyledon, and scientific name of this plant is Tinospora cordifolia. Tinospora cordifolia, the local name is gurjo. Now the characteristics of this heart-leaved moonseed are, it is climbing shrub. That means it climbs over the other trees or the other branches of trees. It is found from Tarai to Himalayan region in our country. It is very easily propagating plant through the stem. That means if we cut a small piece of stem and we just plant it, we can get a new plant. It is adaptable to various elevation also. Even in higher altitude also it can be grown. A leafy plant with wavy leaves. It has many leaves just like a waving. That means they have the just small climbing stem. Stem is also just it forms a wave-like structure. Around that there are many leaves, so it is a wavy leaves we call. Bark is paper-like, very thin. If we take out its outer side bark, it is very thin paper-like, white color. And leaves are heart-shaped. If we see the shape of the leaf, these are heart-shaped leaves. And the leaves have 7 to 8 veins. In leaves we find these veins. These veins, how many veins? 7 to 8 veins, and are about 10 centimeter long. The leaves are also maximum 10 centimeter long, and they may be smaller also. And generally male flowers grow in clusters while female flowers grow singly. Male flowers in the cluster, but female flower only one or single flower is growing. Now what are the uses of this heart-leaved moonseed? The uses of this is, it is multi-purpose herb. It is also used for the various purposes. Used as a medicine for different diseases. Okay, and it is used in the treatment of lotus gall, asthma, cough, diabetes, chronic fever, dengue fever and rheumatism. That's why it is multi-purpose herb. It is used as a medicine for all these type of diseases. Now, what are the benefits of this hot-leaved moonseed? It boosts the immunity of the body. You may have remembered during Corona also, people used to, that means they used to consume the tea or just making a boiled water with this hot-leaved moonseed or gurjo. This hot-leaved moonseed is gurjo. That means we used to take the gurjo soup during Corona also. That means for improving that, we had the concept that it used to improve the immunity power. But excessive use is very dangerous. We might have seen the different side effect because of that also. So always when we take such kind of medicinal plants, we should consult the Ayurvedic doctor and how much amount we should take care of that. And it contains antioxidants property which help to enhance the health benefits, and it helps in the blood sugar management. It prevents infections. It is used in the moderate amount only. Yeah, if we take it in an excessive amount, it may show the different kinds of side effects. See, this is seeds of it, and these are the stems which are already dried, and these are the green leaves where we can see the heart shape. Yes, that's why hot-leaved moon seed. Seeds are small, just like pea-shaped, small pea-sized seeds. And even its stem is also used as a medicine. Everything is used as a medicine. Okay, another plant is Asiatic pennywort or ghotapre, which is commonly known as ghotapre. Its classification is also similar to the other plants which we have discussed now. Division Tracheophyta, subdivision Angiosperms, class Dicotyledon, scientific name is Centella asiatica, and commonly it is called Asiatic pennywort. Characteristics of Asiatic pennywort. What are the characteristics? See, it is a herbaceous perennial plant. That means it survives for the long time. Not only one season, it survives for the many years. And it is found in the tropical areas. And it grows in the swampy and sandy places. Especially it is found in the swampy and sandy places. And it forms like a carpet or blanket over the land. That means it grows very thicker. See, just here we can see there, it is just like a carpet. We can't see the land just below it. And it is a weedy plant, and it produces a kind of fragrance. Just like in tulsi, we feel another kind of fragrance. Here we can find out another kind of smell, which is that means fragrant, and it gives a kind of peace. And it is long-lived plant. Already we have said that it is a perennial plant, and it has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. That's why it is used as a medicinal plant. What are the uses of this Asiatic pennywort or ghotapre? It is used in the cosmetics. That means beauty products. Used as a raw materials in preparation of various Ayurvedic medicines also. Used in the preparation of various cosmetic products such as skin care creams and skin toning, etc. Then what are the benefits of it? It is a multi-purpose herb. It enhances the mental capacity of the person, improves memory. If we take a soup of it, it helps to improve the mental capacity, improves memory of the person, and it is anti-stress. It has the anti-stress properties that help to cure psychological disease like depression also. It helps to treat the skin problems. That's why it is used in the skin toning and skin care also. Has many neuroprotective properties. That means sometimes we feel the nerves problems also. These neuroprotective properties that protect nerves of the human body. That means sometimes we feel different kinds of pain in our body due to less circulation in the air, that means due to the problem in the nervous system. Even it helps to improve that, protect them. Increases intellectual capacity, that means as it is enhancing the mental capacity, it helps to increase the intellectual capacity also. And the flowers of these herbs helps to heal the burns and cure the skin diseases. So, we have discussed various types of plants. Here today we discussed about especially 4 plants, 4 medicinal plants, and also the general concept of the medicinal plants also. So, what we have learned today, just let's check through certain questions. The first question is, which herbs are best to use to boost immunity? Yes, which one is? Asiatic pennywort, heartleaf, moonseed, neem or holy basil? Which one is the correct option? Can you guess? Yes, it is heart-leaved moonseed. Next question is, why is holy basil called medicinal plant? Yes, why tulsi is called medicinal plant? It has antimicrobial properties, it produces more amount of oxygen, it is small in size, it produces good fragrance. Which option is the correct answer? Yes, it is. It has antimicrobial properties. Okay, last question. Which of the following is group of medicinal plants? Here there are different groups of plants are given. Neem, basil, pine, rose, one group. Neem, basil, Asiatic pennywort, turmeric. Neem, banyan, pine, turmeric. Neem, basil, pine, ficus. Which one is the correct option? Okay, this is the neem, basil, Asiatic pennywort and turmeric are the correct option of this question. These are the group of medicinal plants. Today we have discussed about the various properties of medicinal plants, values of medicinal plants, uses and their benefits. I hope you have learned a lot from this class. Thank you very much. For today, I conclude my class here only.